Okay, senior room, because you can't access the CJ Fallon website to read the Irish for you, I'll read it for you. At the end of each page, I'll take a little pause. You should stop the video there, see if you can figure out the meaning of it, and then start playing it again, and I'll have the English translation for you afterwards. Okay, so Cuairt an bhFeirm. Tá Coney Owen in Malia ó Clia, agus tá Coney Rory faoin tua. Is col Caharacha iad. Gach saora, tagan Owen sira go teach Rory. Tá fear diriachta ag ahar Rory. Cowríonn Rory le daddy an bhFeirm. Is má le hón cowrú lo nuair hagan sé sira. Ag tús an tara, cur Rory text chuig Owen. Feicigh mé tú dé saharan. Beg mé ag an stáisiún trénach le mami. Tóg leat de rothair agus ná déon darmad the bhútaisí. So pause it there, go through the meaning yourself, and when you hit play again, I'll have the English for you. So, a visit to the farm. Owen lives in Dublin and Rory lives in the country. They are cousins. Every summer, Owen comes to visit Rory's house. Rory's dad has a dairy farm. Rory helps his dad on the farm. Owen likes to help them when he comes to visit. At the start of the summer, Rory sends Owen a text. And the text says, I will see you on Saturday. I will be at the train station with Mom. Bring with you your bike and don't forget your boots. Notice the Aimsir Oshnach. Okay, next page. An géad fadan, cuaig daddy, Rory agus Owen amach an bhFeirm, chun na ba a chur isteach sa bhlánan. Bhí úna an down Owen nuair a chonig sé na ba go léir. Bhí gabhna an bhFeirm freisin, cowraigh Owen le daddy agus le Rory chun canóna a thuairt do na gabhna. Is má lum na gabhna sa Owen. Beg siad ag dul go dtí an marga ag deire an tara sa daddy. Bhí brón Owen nuair a coola sé é sin. So pause here again. Take a few minutes to go through the meaning yourself, and when you hit play, I'll have the English for you. On the first morning, Daddy, Rory and Owen went out to the farm to bring the cows into the milking parlour. There was the wonder of the world on Owen when he saw all of the cows together. There are goats on the farm as well. Owen helped Daddy and Rory to give nuts, not peanuts or anything, but actual feed, to the goats. I love the goats, said Owen. They will be going to the market at the end of the summer, said Daddy. Owen was very sad when he heard this. Okay, next page. So this is for Thursday. Lá óháin, cuaig Rory agus Owen ag iascach san abhainn. Ba bhá lum bre iasc im lína sa Owen. Ní bhuair mé ceann be an uirig. Béidir go beg an tá leat sa Rory. Deir Daddy go bhfuil go leor iasc san abhainn an saoir seo. Bhí an táló an lá sin mar rug an bhirrtacha iasc. Nuair a tháinig siad abhaile, dul mami agus na buachaillí an dinéir. Tá an tiasc seo an bhlasta sa Daddy, má sibh a bhuachaillí. So pause, go through the English for yourself for the meaning, and then when you press play, I'll tell you the translation. One day, Rory and Owen went fishing in the river. I would really like to catch a fish this year, said Owen. I didn't get any at all last summer. Hopefully you'll be lucky, said Rory. Daddy said that there were a lot of fish in the river this summer. They were lucky that day because they both caught a fish. When they came home, Mommy and the boys prepared dinner. That fish was delicious, or very tasty, said Dad. Well done, boys. Then for Friday, Tróna óháin nuair a bhí na ba ag dul amach an bhFeirm, bhí Rory agus Owen ag siúl ina dhiaidh. Bhí an talamh an phloc agus bhí puteach ag gata na parca. Sláinnig Owen sa futeach agus hit sé a hón. Phléasc Rory amach I gcóire. Dairigh Owen go tapa. Bhí nóra an down An bhfuiltí ceart go leor sa Rory leis. Ó tá, níl mé gortathe ach féach mar chuid éideag. Ná bhí bóra faoi na héadaí, chuirigh mami sa bhaisí níochániad. Nuair chonig mami na búcailí ag teach sa teach an tróna sin, thosaigh si ag goire. Is feirm ar ceart tú inis ar own sisha. So pause, go through the meaning for yourself, and when you press play, I'll have the English for you. One evening, when the boys were going out onto the farm, when the cows were going out into the farm, Rory and Owen were walking behind them. The ground was wet and there was mud at the gate of a field. Owen slipped in the mud and he fell on his posterior. Rory burst out laughing. Owen got up very fast. He was very embarrassed. Are you okay? Rory asked him. Oh, I am. I'm not hurt, but look at my clothes. Don't worry about your clothes. Mommy will put them into the washing machine. When Mommy saw the boys coming back into the house that evening, she started to laugh. You're a true farmer now, Owen, she said. Okay, that is your Irish reading for this week.